Okay, so in this particular video, we're going to learn the process of doing participation on Reddit. So just like Quora, Reddit is also one of the most popular Q&A platform. So usually, people put up their queries here and they get answers. And sometimes if they are looking for answers, then they come here with a question. So, but as compared to Quora, this is very old and it is very strict also. So over Reddit, there are different communities that are created. So, and based on different communities, you can do participation. So let me show you how does the communities look like. So if suppose if I'm searching for SEO here, right? So you will find different options here. Let me see what we are getting when we are doing a search. Usually it does not take that much time, but right now, okay. So now here when I'm searching for anything using a particular keyword, then I'm getting different options here. Now first option is the post, which is the different type of post that contain this particular keyword query. And I can, change it in the timeline, like when it is posted, if it is hot topic or not, if it is on the top, how many comments it has. I can do all of those things. Then the second thing is communities, which about which I was referring. So communities are basically you can say categorized groups. Just like on Facebook we have got Facebook groups. So on Reddit we have got communities. So here you can see on the right hand side different communities are there. Like this is the SE community and this is SE growth. So these are different names, and this shows that how many members this community is having and how many are currently online, right? So the more members are there, the more prevalent that particular community is. That is for sure. Now, the third thing is comments. So we can also search for any comments that have been made using this particular query. So now how to do the participation. So basically, first of all, it is always advisable that you join the relevant communities where you are looking to participate, because without joining the communities it becomes sometimes difficult to post on in those communities. So I have already joined a lot of communities here. On the left hand side panel you can see, and if I open some of these communities here, let me show you. So let it load up. uh, it's taking a little bit time. Okay, so now here you can see that we have already joined this particular community and it is giving us an option to create a post. So we can either create a post, but some communities, they are really strict and they do not allow you to post. So you have to, always request to post. So this post goes to the admin of this community and only then you can post it. So these type of communities you can avoid in the starting, and because they are really strict. And apart from that, every other community, they are also having a lot of rules and regulations. But the major rule and regulation of Reddit communities is that it you should not come here for just for promotion. So don't consider this that like if you are promoting here, or you are only self promoting yourself or your client's brand, then you will be, you know you'll go away like that. Like Reddit is really really strict. So the moment you are found with this self promotion thing, they ban you. So it is always advisable then that in the starting, always try to be neutral, try to help around people, with genuine answers over Reddit and try to participate and become a part of this, all the communities. And gradually, once after working on Reddit regularly for few months, you will gain some reputation. And then after gaining some reputation, if you think, then you can, you know, try once in a while to mention about your brand or something, but not, you know, through your own subreddit again. So I'll guide you that thing in the other videos, but right now consider that in the initial few months, only do raw participation without leaving any promotional link or promotional mention about anything. Only try to be, as genuine as possible. Try to answer out people's queries. Try to become a part of the conversation. So we will be using AI for helping us answering the questions, and how we will do it. I'll let you know. So I'll guide you here. So firstly, you need to put in the keyword as usual, and then you can choose the community if you want, or you can also if you want, you can choose a trending question here. So suppose if a particular question is trending, then you can use that one as well. So I'll show you that thing. So you can make a routine that every day you can do some participation, and how you will do it. Let me show you. I don't know, Reddit is lagging today. The servers are lagging a little bit. So we have got two methods. Either we can, first of all, find the post related to a particular topic, and we can, decide the range, like if they have been posted today or not, and then accordingly we can do participation. And the second method is that we can directly go to, the communities, and we can participate on the latest questions that have been put up there. So I'll choose the second option first, because that is much more reliable, uh, for two reasons. Because first reason is, we don't have to join these communities because they are already joined. Like it will not let us request to join. And the second advantage here is that, like, when we will participate on a question, then we can always tick that question, like we can give it a upvote. So this will let us know that next time we don't need to answer the same question, right? So I have already answered one question here, but let me see if any other question needs to be done. So this is a promoted question, we can leave it. Then this is posted 7 day ago, right? Now why we are getting this, because we are sorting them by this thing. But if you want, you can sort them you know in other way as well. Like you can choose a new, and when you will choose new, then it will always show you the new question that has been put up. So suppose if you want to communicate, like we want to participate in on this particular question, so we'll press we'll open this question in a new tab. This is one of the way. It's taking a little bit time, right? And then what we'll do is, first of all, read the question. Any tips on how to rank, just analyzing sub, not relying the keywords. Okay, now go copy this question, and now you need to go to your what we say AI, and use the prompt. The prompt is already there. So here you need to paste the question, and now click enter. So AI will go through your question, complete question, and provide a relevant answer to you. Okay, now what you need to do is you need to copy this, then choose this thing, and now you can It is still loading up, taking little time. I don't know, Reddit usually does not, hangs this much, but today it's taking a little bit time. Okay, so now we can join the conversation. We can paste our answer, and before pasting the answer, don't forget to remove all this. Okay, and comment. It's taking a little bit time, so let's copy it and try again. So this is how we have, done one comment, and we can also give a, upvote to this question, so that, next time, we can simply, by browsing, we can know that we have already responded to this particular query. So this is how we can, do Reddit participation, and every day we can do, like, 3 to 5 or maybe 5 comments, 5 answers we can give on Reddit, and this is how gradually we can rise. Okay, I hope video is clear. In case of any doubts, do let me know. Thank you.